Hello everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be making a spinach dip. So recently you guys, I made some low carb keto friendly tortilla chips and which are absolutely delicious, and I thought okay, the perfect thing to pair with them would be a spinach dip. So let's go ahead and get started right into it. Super simple, you guys. So here I've got some cooked spinach. I actually cooked this yesterday, and then I squeezed out all the water as much as I possibly could, that is, and then I just set it aside. So that way when I got home from work today, all I need to do is take it out of the fridge and it's relatively dry, and then all I need to do is to give it a rough chop. All right, everyone, this has been chopped, and I have to say I did a really good job as far as draining out all the water from this yesterday, because when I was chopping it, it was absolutely dry, so this is good. So what I'm gonna do is bring over this bowl with this cream cheese, and we are going to put it all together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this minced garlic. Then some sour cream. All right. Then some Parmesan cheese. The spinach. Now you guys, this is looking like spinach dip. And that is the oven that has preheated to 375 degrees. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to this. Some black pepper. Mix that in. And then last, we are going to add the mozzarella cheese. Half of it, and then the remaining half will go on top. And that's the spinach dip. So all we need to do is to put it into our baking dish, and then we are going to bake it. All right, everyone. So this is the baking dish we're going to use. I'm going to coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. And then go ahead and spoon this into this container. All right, guys. And now, on top of this, we're going to put the rest of this cheese. And there we have it. Now this is ready for the oven. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, everyone, here we have it. We've got a hot, bubbly, cheesy, delicious spinach dip. And all that's left to do is to pair it with either bread or some of these low carb chips that I have on the side, and enjoy, you guys. So please do give this recipe a try. And when you do, let everyone know just how delicious it is. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, you guys. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.